This is my Argus Electromatic 570 version projector. Bought it at a thrift shop, $7.50. Here's the remote control for you to focus and reverse. I haven't used that yet, but I know it will. Here is your on and off button, your tray. You put your slides in there one at a time, upside down. The instructions are up here, and this was very helpful. That's how I figured out how to use this. Here's your tray release for that. Your reverse changer, your focus. You can elevate the machine up and down. Here's your timer. Right now I have it on manual. And I was looking for the change button, and where is it? I don't see it, and it's this thing right here. So before I turn it on, I'll show you what the front looks like. Don't know what year this is from. If you know, please let me know. And it's a little bit loud, but it works. I'm going to turn it on. And if you don't see the piece that comes out right here, then that means that this is locked in, and that's what you want to have it so you can look at your slides. I'm going to turn it on. And there's your slide right there. Again, $7.50. It works. When it's on, you have a little green light here, which is very cool. My guess is it's from the 50s or 60s for sure. Let me know what you know about it.